Today we're removing the rear door panel on a Lexus RX330. We're going to start with removing the insert from the handhold and removing the exposed screw at the bottom of this opening. With a small screwdriver, pry the little plastic panel from the door lock door handle opening. This will give access to a second hidden screw. We're going to pry the front edge of the control panel up, releasing clips. These clips are released with pry pressure. This will allow you to pull the control panel up out of the opening and access the connector here. These connectors all have triggers that you squeeze in to release the lock and remove the connectors. Set this panel to the side. Move to the front edge of the door panel at the bottom and slightly pull and pry the door panel from the door. This will release clips along the bottom, up the back and front edges, and allow you to lift the door up out of the door jamb and back away from the door. This is going to give access again to connectors at the back of this door. These connectors are all keyed, fit one specific spot. The cabling, the white cable, you pull the base up out of its pinch fit. It will release and you'll be able to spin the cable around and release the ball at the end up out of the opening. Repeat this for the green cable as well. These will go back to specific spots. Pull the cable around and lift it up out of the opening to release the door. Check the door for any remaining clips. They can be pried from the door and placed back onto the door panel in their corresponding spots, giving access to the car speaker. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. See our website for other stereo help. Thank you.